Alright guys, we're at Motorama, and as you already know, there's a whole lot more to Motorama than hot rods and go-kart racing or RC cars. They have a big truck following here. So today we're going to run through and we're going to check out some of these beautiful trucks and some of the import cars and all that stuff. But stick around, man. Some of these trucks, these guys have some money in these trucks. To begin with, they're expensive, and then they just make them so nice. So hope you enjoy this. All right, there are so many trucks here, so we're just gonna roll through and have a look. We got us a Ford there, got us a Dodge. Look at the money they got in these things. Right? I hope you get to see your truck. Nice. Look at that. The wheels on these things. I mean, the money they have in wheels alone is incredible. Look at this Ram. I gotta back up to get it in the frame. Oh, the Dodge, beautiful rims. I love them rims right there. You know, look what we got here. We got Bobby. Yeah, buddy. Oh God, it's a Denali. Some of the cool imports we have here. We got that there. Look at that. That's beautiful paint job on that thing. Yeah. Got us a diesel. Big old Ford. Super Duty. Got a GMC for you GMC boys. Oh, look at the orange under that. That's pretty cool. Follow him on Instagram. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's a Boss 302 here. Snuck that right in amongst the trucks. The Yukon again with those wheels. I love them. And we got us a Ford on the end of this row. Got us a Slam one. I did actually speak to this dude yesterday. That was custom made and then ride lined. Pretty sweet. Look at them. Terpskis. Sitting right down on the ground. I showed this one the other day. Who doesn't like the Cadillacs, right? That was a bad motor, yeah. That was Chevy. GMCs. Very beautiful. Follow him on Instagram as well. Denali. I know I'm going pretty quick, but I just want to make sure that I get these trucks in here and y'all can see them. Follow him on Instagram. Look at that. Hey, good morning. Got a big old dolly on that thing. Look at that. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Look at that. It's pretty blue. I like that. Look at that right there. I might go through the row and just do a whole separate section of the imports because they got a lot of beautiful cars here. Subaru. Got a Subaru right there. Got us a Chevelle slid in over here. Big old Dodge. Sweet paint, look at that. Nice. Subaru. I tell you what, these boys, they got some money in these trucks. Don't think they don't. In cars, in cars. Look at all that. I know I'm moving through pretty quick. I might be jostling you around. Flame work. Carbon fiber hood. I want to understand that, how it doesn't pop off, but it's a cool look, but I don't know how it doesn't pop off. That's a bad little bike. I got one similar to that. Cool little mini. And back to a big boy. Alright, huh? And this group of trucks, I believe it's with this tire company right up here. So, because they're all kind of parked in here together like that. So we're gonna run up here and have a peek at some of these. Look at that. I just love them wheels, man. Oh, alright, there you go for my Toyota boys. Look at that. No black. She stands out.
No, don't ask that. Don't ask his age. Don't ask his age.
Trouble now.
Look at that caddy. And look at that. Got some welds on it. Got some fuel wheels here. I'll give you a website to look up so you can get these wheels. If they got one on here. Custom auto parts specialist. Wheels, tires, you name it, right? They carry welds. And it's fuel truck tire. Look at that. That's the one I like right there. So remember, if you need some, these are the guys. Caddy. Awesome, awesome. We got a high country over there. Pretty Ram. And we're going to end her up with a Bronco over here. No, wait a minute, while we're here, check out these dudes for them custom lights right there. Check them out. And look at that Bronco. That's sweet, right? You know, I thought we were going to end it, but we got this truck right here. Freaking nice. And this will be our end for the trucks. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the truck section of this. I probably missed some of them. I apologize to anybody watching this if I missed them, but hopefully I'll get you on another video at another time. All right, thanks.